What's up guys, welcome back to this week's episode. In today's video we're going to be refurbishing the front subframe and the rear axle.
So guys, on our last video you've seen us tear all of this out. If you haven't seen that, go back and check it out. It's the first video in the Lupo build series. But now we've got this out, we're going to tear it all down because as you can see, it all needs refurbished. It's an absolute mess. We've got new control arms on order, new anti-roll bar drop links, we've got new track rod ends coming. So what we need to do is tear this lot down, get the arms off, get the hubs off, we'll get it all fully refurbished and ready for the new parts coming. So this is going to be a bit of a nightmare. One of the bolts holding the suspension arm in has snapped. Now it's on a captive nut, so there's no access to the back yet. Most of the bolts still holding in the suspension bush. So we're going to have to drill that out to get the arm out, and then we're going to have to drill and tap the captive nut, or cut it out and try and weld another one in, or get another subframe. So what we've done, in true home built style, is we've decided to try and drill it out first, see if we can save it and stick to the budget. This is a budget build. It's to show that even a new driver with a limited budget can make a cool car. So we're going to go ahead, we'll try and drill this out first. If all else fails, we'll see if we can source another subframe, but I think we'll be alright, I think we'll save it. So we've managed to drill out the bolt enough to get the suspension arm off, but there's still a little bit in the captive nut that we need to drill out, re-tap, but I think we can save this subframe. I don't think we're going to have to buy a new one. But it's getting late, we don't want to make too much noise and disturb the neighbours, so we'll see you guys in the morning.
Okay guys, so it's the next day and we're ready to finish off this front subframe and the rear axle. Let's get it! back axle. For this we're going to be using the grinder. Whenever you're using a grinder, you always want to make sure you protect your eyes. Okay, now we're ready to go. Okay, so that's the rust treatment done. Time for the edge primer.
While the back axle's drying, we can get cracking on this subframe that we've repaired. So we've managed to drill it out, tapped it again, and it's awesome. So we'll rub this down, get it painted the same as the back axle, and then this will be ready to reinstall. that's it for this week's video, guys. And I'm so glad. Not that I don't enjoy it, but it's so hot in Scotland today. I just really want to go for a shower. This has been so much hard work, way longer than we thought. But they're done. They look amazing. The back axle looks great. The subframe looks great. Next week, hopefully we'll be putting it all back together with the new parts if they arrive. But we'll be getting the engine bay cleaned up and painted as well, and the floor all under sealed and repaired as well. So, but again, that'll probably be next week.
Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe and like, because we really appreciate the support. You know, we're a growing channel, and the more of you guys subscribe and like, the more we grow, and we really,
it helps us out a lot, yeah.
Yeah, we really appreciate it.
And listen, we are new to this, and we have had some hate comments. I was expecting it, but listen, we love the haters as well. Any comment's a comment. It all makes YouTube take notice. But listen, we are new, we are learning, and if anybody does have advice on how we can improve and how we can make the videos better, we're open to constructive criticism. Drop it in the comments, get in touch. We'll take it on board and we'll try and learn from it. We're learning as we go. So, like Charlie said, like and subscribe, and come and see us next week.